In this recipe, we're going to be making a virgin homemade pina colada. We have 2 cups of ice. We have 7 ounces of pineapple juice. And we have half a cup of coconut cream. And you're just going to blend this until the consistency is kind of thicker and it stops swirling around in your blender. You will know that it is time to pour. Kind of like here, as you can see, it's getting slower, harder to turn. It is done. And this is our first batch. We're going to pour it into our glass. And next we're going to be doing our second batch, the same recipe. And if you guys want to add rum for an adult version of this, you can substitute 3 ounces of the pineapple juice for any rum of your choice. And we're just going to do the same thing, blend this up, blend this until it comes more thicker, and that's whenever it is finished. Just like that. Our second batch is done, and we're going to be pouring this into our second glass. And if you guys want to top these with any kind of toppings like whipping cream or cherries or pineapples, you can do that. That would be awesome as well. And this is how it turned out. It turned out super yummy. This is perfect for kids if you're doing the version of it, or adults as well. Perfect for New Year's. And if you guys try this recipe, let us know and stay tuned for more.